How to disable the Microsoft Edge in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are interested in how to disable the Microsoft Edge in Windows 11, there is no direct way to do so. Even though Microsoft is trying to push their browser as much as possible with the usual tricks, here is a way out to avoid it. The very first one would be changing the file associations. So, in order to do so, first of all, open the default applications on your device. For that, go to Settings and then on Apps and on Default Apps. Now, go to the File Associations or choose File Association option. Or you could choose Reset All Default Apps. From here, select Chrome, which will set Google Chrome as the default browser. This way, you can disable or not use the Microsoft Edge. Similarly, the next solution would be renaming the Microsoft Edge installation directory. So, where do you find it? For so, you have to open your File Explorer, and once you tap on it, go to this PC. Then go to Windows C, then on Windows, then on System Apps. Now search for the file which is for the Microsoft Edge installation directory. Right click on it and you have the option to rename it. So once you rename, you are good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.